Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyoti Rolla and today I am going to do a Persian girl inspired makeup. It's a very minimalistic red lip kind of a makeup. Here are some of the pictures you can see Persian makeup look. So I am going to do a very simple minimalistic Persian makeup look. So to start with the makeup, I am first going to put sunscreen and then primer. So I'm using this oil-free sunscreen. It's recommended by my dermo. So I'm just taking a little bit portion and apply all over my face. In this makeup look, I am not going to use primer because I want my natural skin to be more visible, not full coverage. So I'm going to use straight this Nykaa Skin Generous hydrating. I got a smaller because I wanted to try out this before getting a bigger one. So it's a very lightweighted, almost a full coverage foundation kind of a thing. I'm just taking a very small amount on my hand like this. I'm just going to apply in the area with my finger because it's easier. Just going to. It's a very lightweighted foundation, and I like that kind of a foundation coverage. It does a good. It's not full coverage foundation, but it's a buildable one, and I like this about this product. I'm taking this is caramel brown Huda Beauty palette. It has a beautiful 9 shades. I love these colors, so I am going to use a little bit of this. I'm taking this brush, taking this little bit product, not much, and applying only in my outer, just on this area. Just adding to the crease at the same time. Just a quick one, just the basics. And then I'm going to take the same product, just a little bit on my brush. I'm taking on the tip of the brush. And now I'm going to apply in my under lower eye thing. Just connect to the lower eye front. I'm taking this eyebrow pencil just to give a little detail. I don't want to do it too much on my eyebrows, so I'm just going to fill this. Just going to brush them out. It's a very natural eyebrow style, so I'm not filling too much, so that it's more visible. I'm taking this Benefit 24-hour setter. Oh my god, this is so nice. I'm just going to add a little bit. So for the mascara, because this look requires a lot of like 2-3 coats of mascara. So first I am going to curl my lashes. Now I am going to use this Nykaa Like It long waterproof mascara. This is really beautiful mascara. I am actually liking this mascara a lot. This is like I'm literally using it every single day. I'm just going to apply the lighter coat over here. One eye mascara and no mascara are a huge difference too. Okay, I am going to use this cream blush from MAC. This is one of my favorite blush. It is a heat indulge glow play blush. It's a very beautiful blush. I'll show you. Very beautiful rosy kind of a blush. I am loving this. For this blush, I'll take my finger. It looks so good. It's very controlling if you use. Like, I'm just taking with my finger. Still, I'm going to add a very little bit of the concealer here, just a little bit. I'm going to blend the concealer with my hand and with my fingers, sorry. A very little bit concealer just to give a little bit of the detail. For the highlighter, I'm going to take this MAC Stove Cream and taking very little bit of the. I'm going to use my finger to apply this. I'm going to take a very little bit and take like this. Just blend this. Use this lip liner from Kylie Jenner. This is a very beautiful red maroony tone. I'll write down the shade name under the description. Just going to apply this. I'm going to use this MAC MA Krish Mish. I don't know, the last name is so confusing. I'll write down here or in the description, you'll be able to see. So I'm just going to apply. I'm going to take this Face Canada spray makeup fixer. I'm going to take this highlighter and apply in my inner corner. That's all for the Persian simple makeup look. I find this look super gorgeous. It's so easy. It take only 4 to 5 minutes for me to put this makeup on. Beautiful, I just love it. The beautiful lipstick and the blush with the highlighter and a minimalistic stuff. Simple stuff, and it looks so beautiful, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like and share. Subscribe to my channel for more such makeup videos, guys. Bye bye.